Hey everybody, Dave Cook, DeFranco Painting Wallpaper. I am here at Elgin. Anthony's been working on some kitchen cabinets in here. They're cherry cabinets we repainted white, but we are also replacing hinges. So he had called because one of the hinges had a quick issue, so I thought it'd be a great opportunity to take a video of if you're replacing hinges, some issues you may have to look at and what you may have to adjust. So let's go take a peek and see what he got. Let's go! All right, so we are here in Elgin. Anthony's been spraying away some cabinets. So here is a great video. Let's get ready to leave, and then we saw this, so I thought I'd make a great video. So when you're changing hardware, we put an allowance on there for adjusting hinges, and you don't really think about the fact that your hinges are gonna have to be adjusted with new ones. They're not all put in the same together at the factory. So here's a door that was completely straight and level, and you can see there's the top, there's the bottom. You can see the difference just that way. If you can't see it that way, then you can see it there on how crooked that door is on there. So once Anthony has everything up here, he'll just have to go through and he'll level everything. So like that, I think these are 2-point adjustments. So that will affect the door going in this way. This one affects the door coming out this way, and then up and down is just a matter of where we put the screw. But it's adjustment as far as which way the door pitches one way or another. There's some other hinges that are really elaborate where it has like a 6-point adjustment where you can affect the door itself going this way, that way, but that's not what these are. But simple adjustment, but it's just something to be conscious of when you're changing your hinges. You may have to spend some time adjusting these 2 screws in order to get that door to be completely square out of the box. If you got questions on replacing your cabinet hinges, let us know. Love to see how we can help you improve the look and feel of your kitchen with painted cabinets, new hardware, maybe even new hinges. You guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. God bless.